So this is down, this is up. This is down, the spring is lower. This is up, the spring is bigger. This is down, the spring is lower. This is up, the spring is taller. So pin up to inflate. So then we have this slot here, and look, there's a bar down there. So make sure to line up your slot with the bar. And then you turn. You turn the other way. Okay, so I'm gonna do it this way. That's it, okay? Now make sure you have this rubber ring. This rubber ring is important. If you don't have this rubber ring, nothing's gonna work. Okay, that's it. You want 8 PSI. Okay guys, once you confirm that you got 8 PSI on your meter right here, make sure to untwist it, and you will just put the plug in, turn it, and now you have a very sturdy water container. Next, you want to repeat the same steps for the lid and the steps.